Wait,
it's
Josh, can
incredible.
you talk about some jobs, or you have a job in mind that you want to talk about that you've been doing lately?
Yeah, a cool job that we've had recently. We mapped a very large plat of land, very large for me. It was about 450 acres all in all.
Mm-hmm.
And it was kind of a different use case. The guy who bought the land, it was previously owned by somebody from the New Jersey Mafia back in the early 2000s or late 90s. I mean, there was
The Sopranos in real life.
it was. I mean, there was a house that didn't get finished because the guy passed away or something, but the house's exterior walls were I think it was 9-inch thick, 5/8 inch thick rebar, reinforced concrete walls, all the exterior walls. It had an underground tunnel system. So I got a call from the surveyor saying, hey, we want to get this topoed. He wants to see, we're looking for undulations in the Earth's surface, because supposedly there was 30 semi-truck loads of 8-foot in diameter corrugated plastic pipe that were delivered to the site years ago, and nobody ever has it, and they have no idea what happened to them. So they're thinking there is a underground tunnel network that spans this, roughly 300 acres, which I would believe it because there was several ponds on the property that were fenced in, one of which had I think it was a 12-foot long alligator inside of it that they shot and killed. I mean, this is right here in Northeast Georgia.
Yeah. Really? What?
So they had a picture of the alligator strung up on a John Deere tractor, and it was so long that they couldn't get the alligator all the way off the ground with the tractor going all the way up.